Welcome to my channel Crazy to Learn. Today we will discuss the summarized note and quick revision of topic gravitation. So without any delay, let's start our topic gravitation. So we should have to first know आम प्रथम जानिबो पड़िबो जे ग्रेविटेशन कोन. तो every body in the universe, every object in the universe attracts each other with some force. That force is called force of gravitation or gravitational force. Okay, so we can say gravitational force is the force with which everybody in the universe attracts each other, and it is a weak force. Okay, so all you are clear about the gravitation. What is gravitation? Now everybody in the universe attract each other, and with which force they attract each other are called gravitational force, and it is a weak force. Then we have to know about what is gravity. What is gravity? As earth is also a object, आम पृथ्वी गोटे object, the earth also attracts object towards itself with a force, and that force is called gravity. Clear? With earth also attracts object towards itself, towards its center, that is called gravity. Clear? Then we will go for the Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. So what is Newton's law of gravitation explains us. Let us think that two objects are there. One has mass m1 and the second one has mass m2, and they are separated with distance d. They are separated with distance d. The distance between the two objects is d. Then according to the Newton, if two objects or two masses of mass m1 and m2 are there with a distance d, then the gravitational force between the two body is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Square of the distance. You can take it as r also. In some textbook you will get r here. So you can take d, you can take r. Okay. So if we combinedly take both the relation, we will get that F is equal to m1 m2 by d square. Sorry, F proportional to m1 m2 by d square. If you combine both the relation, okay, the gravitational force directly proportional to the product of the masses, okay, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So if you take together, we will get force is proportional to m1 m2 by d square. So आम जानी जिते गोटे प्रोपोर्शनली कांस्टेंट को उठे दबा, if you will want to omit the proportionality constant, you should have to multiply a constant. Okay, proportionality जो symbol को उठेबा जदी हम गोटे constant multiply करियार अछि, तो here we will multiply, we will get F is equal to, here what the proportionality constant we have to use, here we have to use the proportionality constant capital G. So we can write F is equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. F is equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. What is this G? What is this capital G? That capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Okay, remember this G, capital G, is called universal gravitational constant. Okay, as here we omitted the proportionality sign, so we should have to multiply a constant. So I multiplied here the constant, that is called universal gravitational constant, represented by the capital letter G. Clear? So what is this value of this universal gravitational constant? The value of the universal gravitational constant G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square divided by kg square. You will say how you get this relation? तुम कह सर आप यूनिटा केमिति आनिले, यूनिटा केमिति आनिले, रिलेशनटा केमिति आनिले? अरे जस्ट F इज इक्वल टू G इंटू m1 m2 by d square. तो just take all these things to the left side. So what value you will get for the G? G is equal to, if d square is divided here, when you will take it to the left side, it will be multiplied with F. So F d square by m1 m2 m2. So F is here for force. The unit of force is Newton. D meter. D is the distance. The unit of the distance is meter. So d square, for d square, here the unit is meter square divided by m1 m2 into m1 into m2. Product mass dita product niya heichi. The product of the two masses. The product of the two masses. Product of what is the unit of the mass? Mass unit is kg. Product kara heichi dita mass ku to kg square. So the formula of G is F into d square by m1 into m2. Okay, and what is the value of G? G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square plus Newton meter square divided by kg square. All you should have to remember this value. Sometime in your exam directly it is asked to you, what is the value of the universal gravitational constant? What is the value of the universal gravitational constant? Clear? And another thing you have to remember, this value of G, universal gravitational constant, independent. It does not depends upon the size of the object. It does not depends upon the size of the object, medium of the object, medium or nature, you can say medium or nature of object, and it does not depends upon the medium of separation between the two objects. ओके, ये जो वैल्यूटा यूनिवर्सल ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट वैल्यूटा बॉडी दीटा को साइज रो को थिरे तैयारी तांको नेचर कोन ता ऊपर डिपेंड करे नाही कि से बॉडी दीटा जो सेपरेट हेचंती ता मझी रे को मीडियम अछि, एयर मीडियम अछि कि वाटर मीडियम अछि, से ऊपर डिपेंड करे नाही. The value of universal gravitational constant independent of all these three things. Clear? Size of the object ऊपर डिपेंड करनी, ऑब्जेक्ट ता कोथिरे तैयारी ता नेचर कोन से ऊपर डिपेंड करनी, आ ऑब्जेक्ट दिटा जो सेपरेट जे हिचंती से भितर को मीडियम काम अछि सेटा ऊपर भी डिपेंड करनी, बिकॉज़ G is the universal gravitational constant. It is a constant. Clear? आउ जोटा पढ़िला हमें ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स टा मने रखो, ये जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स टा, the gravitational force is called a central force. It is called a central force. Why it is called central force? Because it works between the two center of the two bodies. इटा जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स टा काम करूची बॉडी रो दीटा ऑब्जेक्ट रो सेंटर भीतर काम करूची. ओके, द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स वर्क्स बिटवीन द टू सेंटर्स ऑफ द बॉडीज, center of the two bodies. So this gravitational force is called central force. Clear? And it is conservative in nature. It is conservative in nature. Conservative in nature. Another thing, this gravitational force is a weak force. Remember, it is a weak force. It is not a strong force. Clear? All are clear? All are clear about these things? Then next we will go for the topic. The next topic is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. सो सम टाइम बिफोर आई एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज ग्रेविटी किस समय पूर्व ग्रेविटी कौन कहली कौन ग्रेविटी ना ग्रेविटी कौन ना विथ विच फोर्स द अर्थ अट्रैक्ट्स द ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स इट्स सेंटर टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी पृथ्वी आम पृथ्वी जो फोर्स रे ऑब्जेक्ट गुडी को ताड़ को टाणे सेटा को कहे ग्रेविटी एंड दैट इज द केस ऑफ फ्री फॉल केस से केसटा को हम फ्री फॉल केस बोली कहवा ओके फ्री फॉल केस विषय में आउ गोटे वीडियो भी बुझे देखी नेबे तो जेतेबेले गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को अर्थ ताड़ को टाणे विथ विच फोर्स द अर्थ अट्रैक्ट्स द ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी एंड at that time the object falling with a constant acceleration and that is called free fall case and with which acceleration the object comes towards the earth with which acceleration the object comes towards the earth that is called acceleration due to gravity gravity जोगु जो acceleration दास ला सेटा कहला एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ग्रेविटी माने होची गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट पृथ्वी आड़ को आसिला ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ अर्थ रो जो ग्रेविटेशनल पुल जो गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट ता आड़ को आसिला सेटा को कहला ग्रेविटी जो एक्सेलरेशन में आसिला सेटा को कहला एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय और डिनोटेड बाय द स्मॉल लेटर जी यूनिट कौन हम जीरो यूनिट कौन हम एक्सेलरेशन यूनिट कौन मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर तो जीरो भी यूनिट होची मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर क्लियर ऑल यू आर क्लियर अबाउट द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी एंड द यूनिट ऑफ जी क्लियर what is the unit of small g acceleration due to gravity the unit of small g is meter per second square and the value of g varies from place to place the acceleration due to gravity value g varies from place to place if you will change the place the value of g varies slightly you cannot say it varies a large value it varies from place to place slightly very less quantity vary करे हैला g value टा टिके vary करे and but for all practical purposes we are taking the value of g is 9.8 meter per second square remember जनरल जी सब मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन प्रैक्टिकल पर्पज रे आम वैल्यू ऑफ जी टाक नौचे 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर ओके देन एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी तुम कह सर एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी रो वैल्यूटा डिफरेंट प्लांट रे डिफरेंट हम ना सेम हम एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी वैल्यूटा एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी मीन्स इट इज द अट्रैक्शन बाय अर्थ तो मून पाई एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी माने मून केते एक्सेलरेशन रे टाणुची ऑब्जेक्ट एटा सेटा अलगा हबो मर्क्यूरी पाई अलगा हबो वेनस पाई अलगा हबो ओके सो एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू to gravity on moon remember this point acceleration due to gravity on moon is equal to 1/6th time 1/6 of acceleration due to gravity on earth माने एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी वैल्यूटा अर्थ रे जेती की मून रे तार 1/6 टाइम माने एठे जदी 60 देखौची एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी वैल्यूटा एठे 10 देखेबो ला एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ऑन मून 1/6 ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी ऑफ अर्थ क्लियर